A little bit more. That's fabulous. I appreciate that. Here we go. 2, 1, and again. Thank you. And then here, right here, guys.
So we're here today at the American Fine Arts Foundry, seeing our incredible little actor man being poured today. It's really wonderful to be here and see the artistry that goes into the process, with the creation of the mold and the pouring of the wax before it goes into the mold, and then actually being here today and seeing the molten bronze being poured into it. I think you really can appreciate that each statue is its own work of art, and the detail and the artistry and the love that goes into making all these little guys behind me.
Yeah, it's this award show is specifically for actors. It's really special because your peers obviously know the art of acting, and they are able to look at it in a way that's very different than anyone else that is judging or voting for award shows. But for this, what I love is that you get to be in this room full of actors and be able to just kind of celebrate each other and celebrate the work that you've done, the hardships that you kind of gone through.
All right, here's the first one, guys.
Get it out of your system. Yes.
Oh!
Harry, just a glance when you can. Just a glance, Harry, when you can.
Harry, hold it up, hold it up.
Do you mind have the pitter-patter of little feet in the household?
Yes, I am right now. No, I'm not showing yet. Yes, we're so excited. We just painted the nursery, and it's starting to feel real. Now it's starting to feel real. I feel like 3 months ago it was like, oh yeah, this is great, and now it's like, oh god, I gotta start reading books. I gotta make sure putting diapers on my dog, and that he doesn't like it too much, but just to test it out. But it's been great.
Oh, congrats.
Okay, all the way back here. Harry, over to your right. And Harry.